What is inside? Timber?
No, it's ash scraps.
Yeah.
It's got,
From the corners.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's got all
So yeah,
that.
middle. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. No problem. And I will just go and try to sort the things out. Okay, it's a lot of space for anyone to pass. Yeah, so I just have to came here to collect this blind or whatever it is. So I'll try to put somewhere inside. And one sign means receive in good condition unless recorded as them. It just, anyway, there's nowhere else to secure it, you know. So the forklift driver just load me with these pallets, and then I will put on top of this. It's having 200 kilos, so heavy metal. The curtain out. That's it. So actually I've came for a box, but it seems like I have to take all these 5 boxes. Because that one that I'm supposed to collect has already been collected, so you know, I just called the office. I told them, look mate, there is something else ready to be collected, because that one has already been collected. So this is what I will do. Pick these boxes. Let's close the door. Yeah, close. Put the cage back there, ready to go out from here. Nobody's here. I called the office and they just told me cancel that mate and continue your journey. The paperwork, I got everything. I've tried to do my best, but it seems like the order has to be cancelled. None of my fault. It's just what it is, mate. My sat nav is in holiday. Come on. So actually my sat nav works now. A little bit to your left, yeah. More to that side. More. 1 second. Yeah, it's not very practical, but the only thing I can do it, man. Yes. I think if I put the pallet, should be enough space now. You see, up. So the pallet should stay. Anyway, it's not very big pallet, so yeah. I just have to put the tires on top.
Is it okay now?
Yeah, a little bit more to that side. Yeah. More. You can lift it more if you want. Is a space like that towards me? Is a space like this much?
I think it's okay now.
Well,
Yeah, it's good.
as long as it's there, it's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, look, it sits okay on it.
Yeah. It's not moving anywhere. Here is not moving, it's okay. So I'll just open the other side.
Yeah, we'll
But
see what we can
also I got this for you. Take the box down. You see, here it says TRW brakes. It's fine. I'll just put aside. Hey!
absolutely ridiculously tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember some time ago
Yeah?
we had exactly the same situation with your company that they sent a fresh starter, by the way, new driver.
Yeah.
So, you know, don't blame the driver, because if they're not inducted, as you said, they had no
Yeah.
idea how
Well.
to do the stuff, but then they send him in that fucking van again. It's not a lorry, it's a van.
I had few items without any labels on it, so
Yeah.
I just had to open it and have a look what it is and try to ask the customer like what you expecting, you know, like yeah.
Right, I go one more.
Yeah.
So either I put it cross the way over there, or I can fill that gap on the
Yeah,
other
here
side.
if you can.
Here or
Yeah.
on the other side.
Here, if you can on here, it should be alright. Yeah. And everything should be alright, I guess. I'll try to drive slowly as I can. You just hop, that's it. That should go.
I pushed them fucking tires on the other side. I need to have a look.
Should be okay.
Yeah, it's uncomfortable with me as well.
Yeah, should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, should be fine. I've got some paper for you, yeah?
If I damage the load, then it's my fault.
It's not damage, this is rubber. You can put the hammer and it's okay. Yeah. So that's one. 1 second to find the other one. I think there were two. So it's collection. Thank you so much for helping, yeah?
No problem, my friend. No problem whatsoever.
Right there, tell them to fuck off.
What's the date? 27?
27, yeah.
27 July.
Time doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's
Just name and signature anyway.
5:15 PM.
Yeah, and this,
In good condition, yeah.
let's just say. Thanks a lot, mate. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Nice to meet you. Good man.
Well, have a safe trip.
Hopefully.
the tires will be sticking out a little bit, but
On the other side is as well, but as long as it's inside, that's fine. Yeah.
there was no other fucking chance to.
Yeah. Yeah. It's okay.
Tell your boss to get that fucking truck and shovel it up to his ass.
Yeah.
Fucking useless.
Good idea. Thank you. See you. Take care, man. So finally, someone understands me. Finally, come on. I don't have time to waste. It's just ridiculous. I just have to put that on the middle. Should be okay.